If you've been wondering how to transform your favorite entertainment space into the home theater you've always wanted, I have good news. Even if you're not sure where to start, or there's too many products to choose from, or you're not sure what's best for the space, or even if technology is not really your thing, there is a solution that's perfect for you. And in this video, we're going to give you a quick guide to help narrow down the options that are best for you to make your dream experience a reality. First, let's take a look at video solutions. There are two main categories: TVs and projectors. TVs are generally better in brighter areas like rooms with a bunch of windows or an outside patio. You typically get better contrast between the lights and darks and more vivid, saturated colors, especially with OLED technology. TVs nowadays are much thinner, as thin as a sheet of glass in some cases. They can easily be framed around the edges for a more aesthetic look, and they can easily be mounted to a wall or above a fireplace. Projectors provide a more cinematic experience by giving you a much bigger picture, well over 100 inches. Projectors perform best in areas where you can control the lighting, typically in a room with few or no windows, and it's always recommended to pair them with a good quality screen. Most projectors are mounted on the ceiling and project the picture from a distance, but there are projectors that can sit literally inches away from the screen to get a big experience in a smaller space. Next, let's look at some audio solutions. There are three main categories: cinematic reference, surround sound, and soundbars. Cinematic reference systems give you the quality you would hear in a high-end commercial movie theater. It's designed so that when you hear a sound, from big explosions and gunshots to the subtle sounds of music, your brain thinks it's real. To be considered cinematic reference, these systems must perform to certain standards used in movie production and sound reproduction, and is the only way you can get true cinematic quality audio in your home. Surround sound systems give you a cinematic feel with speakers in front, behind, and even above, simply without meeting the strict standards of cinematic reference systems. Surround sound systems are typically more affordable than cinematic reference systems, and they still sound great. Soundbar systems give you a big sound in a smaller package, typically only consisting of a bar that sits under your TV and a wireless subwoofer. These systems are plug and play. They are best for areas where installing several speakers is very difficult or out of the budget, because they are typically the most affordable option. Lastly, if you're going to be spending a lot of time in your home theater, you need to be comfortable. There's seating specifically designed for home theater spaces that can range from a motorized recliner with cup holders and trays to a full body massage chair. They come in different colors and configurations to match your preferences. We hope this quick guide was helpful to you. Please feel free to keep up with us on social media for more home theater solutions, and thanks for watching.